Stand up, beta. Say about yourself.
My name is Jyoti. My father's name is Vijay. My mother's name is Sai. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Very good. Sit down. Harish, stand up.
My name is Harish. My mother's name is Sushila.
My father's.
My father's name is Kishan. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Sit down. Very good. Stand up, Rupesh. Say about yourself.
My name is Rupesh. My father's name is Sushil. My mother's name is Shima. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Rohit, stand up and say loudly.
I am a Lohit. My father's name is Bandu. My mother's name is Namita. My village name is Gorali.
Look at me.
Second class.
Sit down. Lavanya, stand up.
My name is Lavanya. My father's name is Kishan. My mother's name is Pushpa. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Very good. Stand up, Shaista. Say about yourself.
My name is Taita. My mother's name is Sakina. My father's name is Khalil. My village name is South City. I am in second class.
Very nice. Siley, stand up. Say about yourself.
My name is Saili. My mother's name is Panchashila. My father's name is Sachin. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Very good. Ragini, stand up. Give your introduction.
My name is Ragini. My father's name is Sarachan. My mother's name is Rai. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Very nice. Sit down. Stand up, Akshara. Say about yourself.
My name is Akshara. My father's name is Shankar. My mother's name is Kausa. My village name is Golwadi. I am in second class.
Very nice. Anjali, stand up. Say about yourself.
My name is Anjali. My father's name is Panduranga.
My mother's name is.
My mother's name is Aarti. My
Village name is.
village name is Golwadi.
I am in
I am in second
class. Very nice. Payal, stand up. Say about.
My name is Payal. My father's name is Sadhu. My mother's name is Monica.
My village name is.
My village name is Golwadi.
Sit down. Payal, stand up.
My name is Payal.
Look at me, beta.